What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step lesson on how to draw Snoopy. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page with the goggle. We're starting in the center, we're going to bend this up and then across towards the right. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the bottom of the goggle, almost like a half circle. Bend this up and then round out that corner. Let's trace that goggle along the inside. Start with the top curve and then round out the bottom. Let's fill the center of the goggle in black. Let's go to the left side. We're going to draw that strap coming down. Start with a straight line coming down. Now you want to draw an egg shape going up, around the bottom, back up, leaving a gap, and goes back in toward the side. I'm going to separate this with a straight line. Let's go up to the top right side of the goggle and draw the head. We'll start by going up, round at the head, come down the outside, and round at the bottom of the head, and then bend that in towards the left side of the neck. Now let's go over towards the right side, draw on the beak. We go out, round this out, come down, and just pull that in. Now let's round out the neck, coming in and then down. Let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go to the bottom left side of the goggle, draw the edge of the mask. Come around, and then bend that out toward the chin. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and draw the nose with a half circle. Let's add a highlight along the top. Curve this out and then down. And we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now let's add a fold across the scarf, starting from the bottom left corner, curve this around and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to step over on the left side, curve the bottom, coming around, just tucking that in. Let's have the scarf coming out from the left side, starting up here, and down, up, and then bend that out. Let's curve the edge, coming down towards the bottom. Now I want to taper that same curve, coming back in behind the scarf. Let's add a seam in the center. Just follow that same curve going across the middle. And you want to add some tassels on the end. So let's start from the top, bend this out, flatten this off, and curve that back in. Let's go to the bottom. Bend this out and down, do the same thing. Now I'm going to add two more in the center. Now with the head and neck complete, let's draw the back of the body. We're starting from the left side of the scarf. It's out and then down. Draw a straight line going across the bottom of the leg. Now let's draw on the foot. We're going to go up, almost like drawing an oval, round at the foot, and then come down. And then draw the top of the leg with a slight curve coming across. On the right side of the foot, draw two curves to separate the toes. Now we're going to tuck the arm in behind, starting from the bottom right corner, go straight out. Let's draw the thumb, going up and then down. Now I want to add three fingers going around. So we'll start with the top one, the second. Now the third finger, we're going to point this down, bring the arm in behind the foot, and we want to continue on the left side with a short line. Let's draw the back arm, starting from the side of the scarf, coming in, and we'll draw on the thumb, tuck that in behind. Now with the foot, come around and pull that back in. Let's add a patch on the left side of the body. So add a curve, and we'll fill that in black. Now we're going to have Snoopy sitting on top of his doghouse. So from the bottom corners of the leg, draw a straight line going out towards the edge. Now I want to add some perspective, coming down and out so it gets wider across the edge of the roof, and we'll flatten this off. Now I'm going to go back and add the tail. From the bottom, step up, and it's out and down, pull that in to create a point. Now from here, angles down and in, just drawing that front edge, and we'll close that off with another straight line. Let's come in, draw the side of the house, coming down with two straight lines, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now I'm going to add some wood panels across the roof and the body of the house. So we leave a gap on the side. We're going to draw 2 lines. One going across the top, step down, draw that again. Now along the bottom, we're going to go all the way across from left to right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Snoopy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.